Hey guys, it's Harmony Skillman from the blog Mama to Go and your favorite travel agent at Paradise Travel. Now I'm here on the beautiful Disney Dream. I'm going to show you the most unique Oceanview stateroom. Sleeps up to 3 guests. This is room 6502 and we are going to head inside. All right, this is a very unique stateroom. Let's just get a big view here because this is a really large, oversized stateroom. This is a regular Oceanview. This is not a handicap room. This is not a deluxe. So standard Oceanview price. It does sleep up to 3 guests. We have 2 in the king bed, and then this couch does fold for 1 more guest. We have our table here. So the one thing about this sitting area that now that we've been here for a few days we didn't love is if you are a big TV watcher and want to sit on the couch and watch the TV, this might not be the best stateroom for you because the TV is way over there and the couch is way over here. It really should be a TV mounted over here, but you can see we have our reusable hooks, our magnetic hooks that we brought so we can hang up our wet stuff and have a little more storage space. So let's look outside. We do have the split bathrooms. Remember, on Disney Cruise, all of the staterooms that are Oceanview, balcony, or suites have a split bathroom with your toilet and sink. And then you have a second room here with your shower tub combo and another sink so that multiple family members can be getting ready at the same time, which is really nice. We have our table here. This does move. So you can kind of move it around the room if you'd like. And then let's slide over here and show some of the storage space and closet space. So there's a lot of closet space in this room. We have the first closet, which has some shelving, hanging, and then also your safe. And then we do have pirate night costumes. Okay, we'll hang that up later. We do have pirate nights on all your Disney cruise sailings. We do love Disney cruise. It's so fun. I've got my personalized shirt, my ears. I don't know if you noticed the door decor. It's a big Disney thing. Disney people love matching shirts. They love the costumes, the bring your princess outfits for the little ones, your pirates for your little guys for pirate night, or consider booking the Biddy Bobbidi Boutique or a pirate night makeover, which is something when you book a cruise with me, I help you with all of that extra. But let's continue with the room tour. So we have another closet here. It's just a lot of closet space for a cruise. We didn't even use this closet. We just had our suitcase in here. And then we do have some drawer space, which I like because a lot of the cruises nowadays just have shelving. We do have 3 drawers, and I get this question all the time. They do provide a hairdryer, so you do not have to bring your own from home. And then we have 2 additional drawers here, and then over here we have the beverage cooler. And this is not a fridge. This wouldn't be where you keep things like yogurt, milk. It actually says this is not for perishable items. It's good for waters, beverages. And I did bring on 1 bottle of wine. You can bring up to 2 bottles of wine per adult. So it's a good way to save money if you enjoy drinking wine on your cruise. Also here, if you notice, I have the remnants of my 12-pack water package that I pre-purchased and was here when I arrived in my stateroom so that we can have fresh water and then we can put it in the fridge for cold water. So we do have this vanity area with, like I said, the TV. The cool thing about the TV is you have all of the Disney catalog on demand, movies and some TV shows. And then lastly, there's some additional storage here. I did throw our Pirate Night bandanas in here because we had our own from previous cruises and didn't use them from this year. But yeah. Now I do want to show, this is sort of the oversized space. The view here is the front of the ship. I don't know if you can even see it on the camera. It's not the best, but you do get to see the ocean. You do get the natural light. You can kind of see where you are when you're cruising. So, you know, if you're not ready to make that bump up in price to a veranda room, this Oceanview could be a good option. And if you're willing to be at the very front of deck 6, this room is a great price point, and you do have a little bit more space. So again, I'm Harmony Skillman. I'm gonna put in some more footage from around the ship, and I'm a full service travel agent. I've sailed on Disney Cruise multiple times. I've sold all the ships. I know all the ports. I can help you with all of the things that the add-ons. I'd love to work with you. I'll put all my info below and keep watching for some more around the Disney Dream.
So here is the beautiful Disney Dream as we were docked at Lighthouse Point at Lookout Key, the new private destination experience. And now I'm going to show you a bit around my favorite part of the ship, the adults only area. Yes, I was able to sneak away up to deck 13. There's a beautiful sitting area, had the most beautiful sunsets each night. And then there are some loungers, and then there's a full bar, and it goes around both sides. And then of all the footage I took for YouTube, I took a whole video of the gym. Yes, I do love the gym, but it's just a really nice thing to have. And lastly, I got some footage of the main pool area where they show Funnel Vision movies. And we do have the aqueduct, which is like a little water roller coaster. It's so cute. And there's a little water slide. And then back there, there's a splash area as well. And then you do have the adults only pools, which I did not get video footage of. And that's it. My daughter and I had the best time. We bought a placeholder to go again. We can't wait to sail on one of the newer ships. And be sure to reach out if you're looking to plan a Disney cruise.